Eastern Uganda welcomes you with rolling hills, endless greenery, and a rhythm that slows the heart and lifts the spirit. This is not just a journey, it's an experience crafted by Littlerock Safaris. Over the next 3 days, our guests set out to explore the breathtaking Sipi Falls, discover adventure, culture, and nature, and create memories that last a lifetime. Our adventure begins in the afternoon as we depart for Kapchorwa, the gateway to the majestic Sipi Falls. The journey itself is a story, winding roads, welcoming villages, and the towering presence of Mount Elgon guiding our way. As the sun begins to set, the air grows cooler and fresher. Excitement builds with every turn as the sound of rushing water grows closer. We arrive at our lodge late in the evening, perched perfectly overlooking the iconic Sipi Falls. Even in the darkness, the power of the falls is undeniable, its roar echoing through the night. After a long but rewarding journey, our guests settle in, surrounded by nature's calm, ready for the adventures ahead. Day 2 begins with a peaceful morning and a hearty breakfast, overlooking one of Uganda's most beautiful landscapes. Before the adventure begins, our experienced guide, Robs, gathers the group for a detailed safety briefing. Every harness, every rope, every step is carefully explained, because adventure is best enjoyed when safety comes first.
Nice meeting you all. You're welcome to Cippy. How the day is going to start, we're basically going to begin with the abseiling. One of our staff is going to actually demonstrate for you now before we go. We're going to abseil down 100 meters, which is 300 feet above sea level. The guys have already set the gear up on top, as you can see. Of course, we cannot see not until we move closely. So we're going to abseil down 100 meters, which is 300 feet. Get ready for a little bit of twist of mind. It's not a normal thing that you do, but it's an adventure. One of us or two of us will go down first to demonstrate for you, and then we go down second. There are two ways of doing abseiling here. You can do it with a friend, like 2 people can go at the same time or 1 at a time. You guys will tell us at the end of the day that who wants to go with who, or you want to go 1 at a time. So your feet will be on the rock for like 30 meters. 70 meters you're just hanging. Your feet is always on the rock. So you put your feet on the rock from the very beginning. Going down off the edge is the most tricky bit of it. As you go 1 or 2 meters, then the rest is awesome. As you go down 30 meters, get ready for a little bit of a spin. You see that huge overhang, that cave there? That is a little bit of a spin. It makes you enjoy the view of the waterfalls and enjoy the view of the valley. One of us will go down fast, like I said before. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the abseiling spot. My name again is Robert. Where we are is the abseiling spot where we're going to do the abseiling. Abseiling means we are going down with the rope. We're actually rappelling down with the rope. With the knowledge of the instructors on top, please listen to every bit of instructions that Joseph or Timothy or Caleb will be telling you from the top. Like I said before, we will have 2 people go down, or 1 person goes down first to demonstrate for you, and you go down second. Rule number 1 is we will have you harnessed like the way I'm harnessed. This is called a waist harness. So we harness it up like the way you're putting on a normal trouser. So we harness you up. That is what we're going to begin with. Number 2, we will actually tell you the do's and don'ts after harnessing up. So can we all stand up? We harness you and then we come back to the other side of the instructions. After watching him go down, we're going to walk to the vans, take the vans to the top. He will drive us, the drivers will take us to the top. Then we will walk from where those houses are to the top of the main waterfalls. We start the breathing again. Then from the bottom, get ready to be wet, soaked and muddy. You guys came when it's a little bit dry. Well, we will have the cars, the vans will come. There's a road, there's a Maram road. The vans will come at the base, at the bottom of the waterfalls, whereby my crew will move you to the car, will actually walk you to the car. Then we take off to the 3rd waterfalls and the 2nd waterfalls. What we are doing today is a full circuit. We are abseiling down, go up to the vans, drive up to the 3rd waterfalls, 2nd waterfalls.
We've got 10 stages of processing coffee, and I'm just going to outline them. Then I will get in detail one by one, especially the first 4 stages, which are key and they are primary in relation to the quality of the coffee that you drink at home. As I told you, my name is Joel. So stage number 1 is planting a young coffee seedling. A live of coffee starts with the seed, and these are dried coffee seeds, but at the farm level we're still using hand roast. But in bigger production, machine roast, where you have either, if this medium roast coffee, light roasted coffee, or dark roasted coffee. Others call it city roast.
As the day winds down, we travel to Mbale for a unique camping experience. Tents are already set up, welcoming us into the heart of the outdoors. As night falls, a campfire brings everyone together. Music fills the air, laughter echoes, and stories are shared under the stars. It's moments like these that turn a trip into a family experience. refreshing hike up Wanale Hill. The climb is rewarding, offering breathtaking views of Mbale town stretching out below us. From the top, the beauty of eastern Uganda unfolds, hills, towns, and endless horizons. It's a peaceful, powerful way to end our adventure. After descending Wanale Hill, we begin our journey back to Kampala. 3 days. Countless memories. One unforgettable experience. From waterfalls and adventure to culture and connection, this Sipi Falls journey captures the heart of what Littlerock Safaris stands for. Travel that inspires, adventure that connects, and memories that last a lifetime.